10th question. Okay, here you observe what is the difference between from one question to another question. Here also y is directly proportional to x square. From that what we can write, y is directly proportional to x square, and elimination of the proportionality constant, take the proportionality constant y equal to kx square. Then all positive values of y and the difference in the values of y when x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Let x1 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 3. They have given the difference y2 minus y1 equal to 32 they have given. So substitute the x1 in the relation of y equal to kx square. So that becomes y1 equal to k into x1 square. Substitute x1 is 1, k into 1 square, that is y1 equal to k. Okay. Next take the x2 equal to 3. Then y2 equal to k into x2 square, that is 3 square. 3 3s are 9 k. So y2 equal to 9k. They have given the difference. What is that? y2 minus y1 is equal to 32. What is the y2 value? 9k minus y1 is 1k equal to 32. 9 minus 1 is 8k equal to 32. K equal to 32 over 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are 32. Proportionality constant value is k, 4. Okay. Write in the relation y equal to 4 x square. This is the relation. Okay. Next, continuation. Find the value of y when x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Find the value of y. Y equal to k into minus 2 whole square. In the place of x, write the x value. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 4 into 4. So what is the y value here? 16 is the y value. Got it? This is the way how we do the simple manner. Okay. Next. The table shows the relation between x and y. Okay. Explain if y is directly proportional to x or x cube. Okay. Next, here we take y over x equal to 5.2 over 2. It is equal to 2.6. And 41. Let's take the give a real life example what the variable x and y can be. Okay. They are asking x and x cube. X we take, x cube we take, y we take. X equal to 2. 2 cube means 8. X equal to 4. 4 cube means 64. X equal to 5. 5 cube means 125. 8 cube equal to 64 into 8. 512. And 10 cube equal to 1000. Take 5.2 and 41.6 and 81.25. 332.8, 650. Okay. Take the relation here y by x here. It's a 5.2 over 2 is its 2.6. 41.6 over 4 equal to its 10.04. 10.4. It's not in the same constant. Check with x, y over x cube. Y over x cube. What is that? 5.2 over 8 equal to 4 2s are 4 1.3, that is 0.65. It's 0.65. Okay. Then 41.6 over 4 not over 64 means 41.6 means take 64 into 0.65 means if we get the same constant, then we say that y is directly proportional to x cube. Here 5 4s are 22, 5 6s are 30, 32. 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 6s are 36 plus 2, 38. 0 6 11. It's a 41.6. It's exactly true. This is 0.65 only. Take the two decimal places. Say 41.6 means it's exactly the same relation, the same ratio, 0.65. Again you check out with 81.25. 81.25 divides with 125, and again 125 is divided with 0.65. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Then 6 5s are 30, 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 1, 6 1s are 6, 7. It's a 5 2 1 8. 8 12 so 2 is exactly 81.25. Okay, this is true. And again check with 512. It's a similar. If 3 are similar means we can write it as it's a proportionality relation. So we can say that from that y is directly proportional to x cube. Okay, if they ask y is proportional to x or x cube, you take the relation of y with x and y with x cube, if which has the same constant value, then that is the proportionality relation, those two variables. So y is proportional to x cube. Next, give a real life example of what the variables x and y can be. The volume of the cube, volume equal to y variable, y is the volume, okay, x is the side of the cube. So y is area, volume is directly proportional to side cube, that is y is directly proportional to x cube. So we can write here what is the example. Volume of a cube is directly proportional to side of the cube. Okay, this is the way how to solve the direct proportionality related problems, and from these problems we can analyze where we are using such type of relations in real life. It's a natural growth of the bacteria, and it is the relationship between, means it's a volume of the cube, and some questions from that we can say that number of pencils, number of pens. Okay, that is the. Okay, thank you.